In this video, I will show you how to change your YouTube channel name. So let's see how it's done. First, open your YouTube Studio dashboard. On the left side of the screen, click on the Customization tab. Once the customization page opens, look toward the right side of the screen. Here, you will see the option to change your channel name. Simply enter the new name that you would like to use for your channel. Keep in mind that YouTube allows you to change your channel name only twice within a 14-day period. After entering the new channel name, click the Publish button in the top right corner of the page. The changes will be saved right away. To confirm the update, open your YouTube channel page and check the channel name. You should now see the new name displayed on your channel. And that's it. This is how you can change your YouTube channel name. That's it for this video. Like, comment, share the video, and subscribe for more video updates.